Hello, my epic friends. Yes, you are epic. Welcome to Color Street Epic Nails. What is Color Street? Well, it's an awesome product, but first let me ask you, what do you think about having salon quality nails that are 100% nail polish? That's right, nail polish, not vinyl. And they require no drying time, no smudging, and no streaking. And no heating. That's Color Street. Well, I love this product so much that I decided to become a Color Street stylist, and I just received my stylist kit. I'm so excited. So here it is. I'm opening it up. Let's dive right in. It costs $129 to become a stylist. You'll receive the Basic Starter Kit. Inside the kit, you'll receive 10 full sets of nail strips, 1 French, 2 solids, 2 glitters, and 5 designs. These are full set of nail strips. Isn't that great? I'm gonna go set it down over here. Also in the kit, you'll receive 72 testers. I'm gonna call them samples. Sometimes they call them twosies. So pick up your samples by texting to 474747 Easy Epic Nails. Also in the kit are 2 nail files, full-size nail files, and they each have a cover. Look at that. That is so neat. Let me see what else is in the kit. Oh, there are 2 buffers. Each side of the buffer has a different texture. The black side is the filing. The next side is the buff. The pink side is the polish. And the yellow side is the shine. It's great. I'm gonna put it down over here. Let me see what else is in the kit. Oh, there's a second layer. Okay. And there is a note that says that they ran out of host event forms. But in its place, they gave me 2 extra full-size nail strips. Fantastic. Don't worry, at the end of this video, I will read out the names of every single strip here. What else is in the kit? Oh, a welcome letter from the founder and CEO of Color Street, Fa Park, welcoming me to the Color Street family. Also in the kit are instructions on how to apply the nail strips. Put that over there. This sheet talks about jump-starting your goals and rewards and tells you how you can earn bonuses and additional products. Next, here are the host rewards information. Let me know if you want to host a nail bar and you can earn free product. The next is, of course, the compensation plan. Yes, very important. This will tell you what you have to do to earn your income. Let's see what else is in here. Oh my goodness, is that a bag? I think it's a bag. Oh boy. Yes, it's a bag, a Color Street bag. Okay, I'm gonna open it right now. Bear with me. Okay, and here we go. Yes. Oh, here it is. Oh my goodness, I can actually run my business from this bag because Color Street products are very portable. This is so cute. All right, I'm gonna put it over here. Do I still have real estate on this table? Okay. Yes, next we have some nail files. So my website says that you will get 60 mini nail files. So I'm gonna put that there. The kit also comes with Cuticle Sticks, 50 cuticle sticks. Also in the kit is the Color Street Fall Winter 1819 catalog. Definitely need this. It's so cool. I can't wait to open it and see what's in there. Let me see. Oh, also included is one box of nail prep pads. These are basically alcohol. In the kit, two boxes of nail polish remover pads. Very handy. I'm gonna put it over here. And let me see what else. Oh, here is a notebook that I could use to jot down ways on the road to success. And finally, here are some order forms, customer order forms, so that I can take orders right away. And that is what's in the kit. That is actually a lot of items in the kit. But as I promised you, I will read the names of all of the strips that came in this kit. So here we go. First up, we have It's a Jersey Shore Thing. It looks like a matte and it's like a nude shade. Oh, Liberty Land, red, white, and blue. Oh, Chateau Marble. Oh, that is such pretty colors and it has a pearlescent finish. Kind of matches my sweater. Next is Made in Milan, a nice deep shade of almost black, but more like ebony. Really neat. Next is Petal Pushers, or Petal Pusher. Oh, okay, it has a pearlescent finish, and look at those cute flowers. Oh, Highland Houndstooth. Nice. This will go with Made in Milan. Nice. Has a pearlescent finish too. Another It's a Jersey Shore Thing. And here we have New Dimensions. Look at that glitter and look at that ombre effect. Nice. Next is Blue Lagoon. This is great for the summer. And look at the French manicure Meet Me in Paris. Excellent. And this is, oh, Penny Lane. It's like a nude shade but with a pearlescent finish. And finally we have Amazonia, and it's like a lizard or snakeskin design, and it's a glitter. So let's recap. Color Street is 100% nail polish. You can remove it with nail polish remover. There's no drying time, no smudging, no streaking, no heating, and it's globally patented technology and made in the United States. So subscribe to my channel below, visit me at colorstreet.com/epicnails, like me on Facebook at my.colorstreet.epic.nails. Till my next video,